Let's do some sums on triangles and its properties. Question number 2. One of the exterior angles of a triangle is 80 degree and the interior opposite angles are equal to each other. What is the measure of each of these equal angles? Okay, I have drawn already a triangle and now I have to draw one exterior angle. So when we want to draw exterior angles, we can extend the sides, but to find one exterior angle, we will have to produce one side on one side. That means if I produce this one, I can produce on one side, not on both sides. Okay, so let me produce this one because I'll have to find out one exterior angle. So I'm producing this line up to this much. This is the extension of, let me name this triangle as A, B, C, and to find one exterior angle I am producing this BC up to D on one side, not on both sides. Okay, so here this exterior angle measure is given. Because they have not mentioned which side I will have to produce, I can produce any one side of my choice. So I have produced this CB up to D on one side to get only one exterior angles. So this measure of this angle is 80, and one more condition is given: opposite angles of this exterior angle. That means which are the opposite angles of this one? Yes, apart from this adjacent angle, we are getting this angle and this angle. So these two are equal, so I am putting this sign. This sign means similar sign to both angles. That means these two angles are equal, and this one's opposite angle, because this one's adjacent is this one. So apart from these adjacent angles, these two angles are opposite to this exterior angle. Okay, so as these angles are equal, I am naming them as X, and this angle I name it as Y. Now our drawing is over. Now you see these two angles are linear pair. They are adjacent angles and they form a linear pair. So we know angle Y plus 80 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree, because they form a linear pair. Implies Y is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to how much? 100. Yes, value of Y we have found. Now in this triangle, value of Y is 100, and these two angles measure, each of these angles measure is X. Again, X plus, from this triangle ABC, X plus 100 is equal to how much? 180, because this is angle sum property. Angle sum property, sum of three angles is 180 degree. Implies X plus X means 2X is equal to 180 minus 100. Implies 2X is equal to how much? 80. Implies X is equal to 80. This will be divided by 2. Now I am cutting with 2. 2 ones are 2. 240 is equal to 40. That means measure of each angle is 40. Clear? Exercise 10B, question number 1. Determine the value of X and Y. Here one figure has been given and we'll have to find out the value of X and Y. First of all, let me name the triangle as A, B, C, and this point is D. Now you see in this figure, angle X and this angle 125 degree, these two angles are adjacent angles and they form a linear pair. Therefore we can write angle X plus 125 is equal to how much? 180 degree, because they are linear pair. Implies X is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to how much? 10 minus 5, 5, and this is also 5, 55. So value of X we have found. Now again in this triangle ABC, you see X plus Y plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Yes, and again x plus y plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, implies value of x I have put in, y plus 55 plus 60 is equal to 180, implies y plus 50 plus it means 115 is equal to 180 degree, implies y is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree is equal to how much? 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 1, 6, 65 degree. So this is the question number 7. Find the values of x and y in the following figure. Yes, here one figure has been given. Now after getting the figure, our first task will be to see what values have been provided and what are the things we can write by just seeing the picture. Now look at this figure. Here two triangles are given and measure of two angles have been provided. And one more thing has been given here. You see this square mark. Yes, what does it mean? Exactly. This square mark means the measure of this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so I can write here 90 degree. So all total three values of three angles have been given and two triangles. Now let me name this triangle ABC and this point D. Now in this triangle you see ABD, we can write x plus 30 plus 120 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Yes, x plus 30 plus 120 is equal to 180. This is angle sum property. Sum of three angles is equal to 180. Implies x plus 120 plus 30, 150 is equal to 180. Implies x is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to how much? 30. So value of x we have found. Now next you see in this triangle, y is here, so I am looking at this triangle. Here one angle is not given. Let me name this angle as M. Now you see these two angles are adjacent angles on a straight line, so these two angles form a linear pair and sum of these angles will be 180. Again M plus 120 is equal to 180. These are linear pair and implies M is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Okay, now in this triangle y plus M plus 90 is equal to how much? Again 180 degree. Again y plus value of M is 60 plus 90 is equal to 180. Again angle sum property. This is a very important property. Almost in every sum of angles, triangles, we will have to use this property. So you should learn very carefully properly. This property you should know. Y plus 150, 90 plus 60, 150 is equal to 180. Implies y is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to how much? 30. Tips 10. Whenever in a statement sum you will have to draw a figure of a triangle without using a protractor, of course, which is not required in this chapter, how can you get an approximate measure of the angles of a triangle? Okay. In that case, my opinion is that you just take a right triangle as a standard one. You just think of a right triangle and then you can draw an approximate triangle without using a protractor. Suppose I am drawing here one right triangle. I know everybody can draw a right triangle with an angle 90 degree. Okay, so this one is a right triangle and this angle is 90 degree. So when I'm just thinking of this angle B, in this case angle B is equal to 90. Now if any angle is given less than 90, suppose 45, 30, 60, in that case you just bend this line, you just take it to this way. This line will be slanted in this way. So this will become less than 90. And if it is more than 90, suppose 120, 110, then this will be slanted in that way. This position will be in this way and in that side. And if it is less than 90, then its position, this side's position will be here. Okay, so let me draw here. You see, if it is less than 90, then our angle B will be like this. This will be our angle B, which is less than 90. And if it is more than 90, then this will be like this. This one is 90, so more than 90, then we will draw like this. And if it is less than 90, we will draw like this. This angle's measurement will be like this, 30, 45 or anything, because exact measurement we can't give, because without using protractor or compass we can't draw an exact angle. So these are the approximate triangle, and this one is suppose 110, 120, etc. Okay. In this chapter, exterior angles are to be drawn. So see, I have drawn some exterior angles. Here this one is 90 degree, this one is more than 90, this one is less than 90. These three exterior angles. If it is given exterior angles less than 90, anything less than 90, suppose 60, 70, 40, then you can draw like this. If it is 90, of course you are able to draw. This one is 90. And if it is less than more than 90, and that is 110, 120, 100, then these loops are like this. This is the more than 90, this is less than 90, this is 90. And in one of my today's solved sum, I have drawn one exterior angle. You look at this. And in this way we can draw an approximate triangle or angle like this. Okay. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. And if you have any doubt, you can share with me in below comment section. So see you guys. Till then, bye.